Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 6th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me again today is Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the County Health Department. This is National Public Health Week, and we are marking the occasion by thanking our public health workers. As we begin our second year of battling the biggest public health challenge many of us have ever faced, we must recognize that now, more than ever before, is the time to celebrate those who continue to respond to this crisis. Every month, every week, day in and day out, for more than a year, our public health team has put their personal lives on hold and dedicated their collective energies to protecting our residents. Supported by an amazing group of volunteers that includes individuals as well as public, private, and community-based organizations, our team grows and with each day and each event becomes more effective in their mission. On behalf of the Oswego County Legislature, I would like to say thank you to the public health workers and their community support team for their dedication and sacrifice in keeping our communities safe. Starting today, people aged 16 and older can receive the Covid-19 vaccine. However, only the Pfizer vaccine has been approved for those aged 16 and 17. The Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are only approved for those aged 18 and over, so it is important to be sure which vaccine clinic you sign up for. You can find more information about all three of these vaccines by clicking on the fact sheet link for each one at covid19vaccine.health.newyork.gov. Coming up this Saturday, April 10th, we've scheduled a vaccination clinic for G. Ray Bodley High School in Fulton. From 12:45 to 3:45 p.m., the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will be administered. This vaccine requires only one dose and is only approved for those aged 18 and over. The link to register for that clinic is now posted on the Health Department's COVID-19 vaccine page. Go to healthdepartment.oswegocounty.com and click on the link for local information about the COVID-19 vaccination. The Oswego County COVID-19 hotline is open till 4 p.m. today to help people make appointments as well. Call 315-349-3330. With vaccine eligibility opening up, appointments will likely be made more quickly. Still, keep checking back if a clinic looks like it's booked. Appointments may become available if other people cancel or reschedule theirs. The County Health Department is also working with SUNY Oswego to host a vaccination clinic for its students early next week. As of today, 31.5%, or 37,092 Oswego County residents have received at least one dose of the vaccines. 25,486 residents have completed the vaccine series. Although more of our residents are receiving the vaccine, we have not seen new case numbers decrease as we would expect. We can't let our guard down yet. We must continue to follow safety protocols to protect our loved ones and communities. I am very sorry to say that we've lost one more member of our community to COVID-19 during the past week. On behalf of the Oswego County Legislature, I once again extend our sympathy to their families and loved ones. And now Diane will update us on this week's COVID report.
Thank you, Chairman Weatherup. Our 7-day positivity rate has increased from 1.5% to 2%. As of this afternoon, we have 197 active positive cases. We have 179,904 total test results that have been returned. We have a cumulative positive cases of 7,142. We've received 170,228 negative test results. We've released 6,855 patients from isolation. We have 90 deaths that are related to COVID-19 as reported by the New York State Department of Health. And we currently have 470 residents in mandatory quarantine or isolation. The data shows that our daily positive case counts continue to be consistently higher than the pre-peak numbers that we saw before Halloween. we encourage everyone to get vaccinated. There are now more agencies in the county that can administer vaccine. They include Oswego Hospital, Connects Care, and many local pharmacies. You can register for a vaccine at one of the state-run clinics, including the New York State Fairgrounds, through the state's MI Eligible website. We continue to vaccinate homebound patients. This process takes time, and we ask for your patience as we work through it. People who are homebound, those who are unable to leave their homes without help or considerable effort, can call the health department's COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 to register for the vaccine. The hotline is open weekdays from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Everyone, regardless of age and vaccination status, needs to be proactive and responsible about preventing the spread of the virus. Remain vigilant. When you leave home, remember the 3 W's. Wear a mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. Thanks.
Thank you, Diane. Beginning today, the 11 p.m. curfew for casinos, movie theaters, bowling alleys, billiard halls, gyms, and fitness centers will be lifted. It will remain in effect for bars and restaurants. The 12 a.m. curfew for catered events also remains in effect. Those 2 remaining curfews will be reviewed again later this month. I encourage you to keep checking the New York State website to keep up with the state's latest updates and guidance. At the county government level, we continue to bring back some of the services that were paused last year due to COVID safety issues. The Health Department's Environmental Division is once again offering residential well water testing for homeowners. Oswego County Workforce presents a hiring event for Over the Top Roofing LLC from 10 a.m. to noon tomorrow. Friends of Camp Hollis opens its 5K run walk event, which will be held virtually throughout the month of May. Don't forget that the New York State burn ban remains in effect till May 14th. There is more information about these programs on the county government website at oswegocounty.com, along with the latest information on COVID-19 clinics and testing. I encourage you to check back frequently as things continue to open up. Thank you for continuing to do your part to keep our community safe and help us get through this pandemic.